Hi, and welcome to the Social Robotics Lab at Yale. Thank you again for participating in this experiment. Today, you will be playing a very simple video card game with a robot. The robot is called GLaDOS, and it is a robot arm sitting in front of the monitor on the right side of this table. GLaDOS is a purely mechanical robot that is not able to express itself acoustically. Please remember that you are not allowed to touch the robot during the entire session. The game is played with a card deck consisting of cards showing the numbers 1 through 8. What you see on the screen is the starting point of the game. Both you and the robot are handed 2 cards randomly chosen from the deck. You also see that there is a so-called center card, comparable to the shared cards in the middle of the table in Texas Hold'em poker. In order to win, you must get 4 cards of the same kind in your hand. The center card does not play a role in this situation. It is important to note that no matter if you or GLaDOS achieve this goal, both of you will win. This situation is called a team win. The game automatically ends when a team win situation is achieved. There is, however, another way to win the game. Whenever either player has 2 cards of the same kind on his or her hand, and the kind also matches the center card, this player gets the opportunity to take a so-called single win. Note that in this case only one player wins while the other loses. The game is played for no longer than 8 rounds. If no winner is determined after 8 rounds, both players lose the game. In each round, you'll see your cards and 2 randomly chosen cards from the other player. You can then decide if you would like to either draw another card, give a card from your hand to the other player, or, in the special case explained before, take a single win opportunity. Each player makes his or her choice secretly, and when both players are ready, the decisions are displayed and the game advances to the next round. The game is easiest understood if we simply demonstrate an example game. The robot has already made its move. This is indicated by the green check mark you can see beneath its name. Say I decide to draw another card. Since the robot has already made his choice before, we have immediately moved to the next round. Note how you saw all of the robot's cards before, but only see 2 of his cards now, while the third one remains hidden. See how the check mark appears on GLaDOS' side of the screen? It has just made its decision. If you make your choice before the robot is ready, the check mark would appear on your side. I decide to draw another card again. I take another card. Nice. As you can see, I have reached a situation where I can take a single win. Note the 2 8s on my hand and the 8 in the center. The single win condition is fulfilled, so that a third button has appeared at the bottom of the screen. I decide to use this opportunity and take the single win. You will be playing 20 games with the robot, GLaDOS. Your score will be recorded and you will be shown the high score tables when you are finished. You can rewatch this video as many times as you like until you have fully understood the rules of the game. Remember that you should only ask us questions if you absolutely need to. Please press start when you are ready to play.